Hello students, welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I Professor Harsh Tripathi, Assistant Professor of Accountancy and Commerce at Srimati MP Patel College of Commerce and Center for Professional Courses Kadi. Today, let's discuss about syllabus of Cost Accounting 1 in BCom Semester 4. This syllabus contains total 5 units. Unit first, basic of cost accounting and material. Unit second, labor. Unit third, overheads. Unit 4, single or unit costing. And unit 5, reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. Each unit have 20% weightage. Unit 1, Basics of Cost Accounting and Material. Part 1, Basics of Cost Accounting. In this unit, we will learn financial accounting limitation, definition, objective, functions of cost accounting and cost accountant, advantages and disadvantages of cost accounting, objective of cost accounting, installation of cost accounting system, cost manuals, approaches for ascertaining cost, methods of costing, elements of cost, classification of expenditure, types of costing, cost unit, cost centers, cost allocation and appropriation, cost estimation and cost ascertainment, and basic terms of costing. In part 2, material. In material portion, we will learn material control, requirement of material control, material purchase procedure, duties and function of purchase department, cooperation between purchase manager and others, standard list, fixation of stock levels, economic order quantity, costing of income material, choosing a supplier and inviting tenders, storing a material, bin card, issue of material, bills of material, ABC analysis, FIFO method, LIFO method, average cost, weightage average cost method, replacement cost on market price at the date of issue, pricing method, material losses, wastage and control accounts, normal and abnormal loss, control over the use of indirect material and spares. Now, unit number 2, labor. In this unit, we will learn direct and indirect labor, labor cost control, important factor for controlling over the labor cost, method for recording attendance time, time and motion study, ideal time, control over time, methods of wages, wages on time base, wages on piece base, balance of date system, incentives plan, Halsey premium plan, Halsey wear plan, Rowan plan, Barth variable sharing plan, Taylor's differential price system, Merrick differential plan, Emerson efficiency plan, Kahn task plan, bonus plan, Hensey's plan, Badex plan, Pearson product bonus, group bonus, profit sharing, wages and cost of production, payment of wages, wage steel, control over the casual contract, other work, control over the labor turnover, causes of labor turnover, job evaluation, and merit rating system. In unit number 3, overhead, different classification of overhead, fixed, variable, semi-variable, distinguishing between fixed and variable, collection and absorption of overhead, factory work overhead, basis of apportionment of overhead, production and service department, method of apportionment, cycle method or repetitive distribution method, method of absorption of factory overhead, percentage on material or direct material cost basis, the percentage on direct wages or direct labor cost basis, the percentage on prime cost basis, hourly rate basis, the machine hour rate, direct labor hour rate, treatment over or under absorption of overhead, apportionment book, research and development cost, absorption of fixed overhead over output, actual at normal capacity item excluded from cost account. In unit number 4, single or unit costing, we will learn components of total cost, expenses that are not treated as cost in cost sheet, imputed cost, treatment of work in progress, defective material, sale of scrap, defective productive, normal and abnormal materials, treatment of finished goods, preparation of historical cost sheet, an estimated cost sheet, an estimate of work order. In unit number 5, last unit, reconciliation of cost and financial accounting, reconciliation of profit method of reconciliation, memorandum reconciliation account, and reconciliation statement. So these 5 units include in cost accounting 1. This paper university asked 70 marks full. Unit number 5, unit number 4 contain 14 mark sums. So this is the syllabus of cost accounting 1 for BCom semester 4. Keep learning, keep motivate yourself. Thank you very much, students.